Hey fam, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Nai, where we talk filmmaking, photography, and travel. Now, if that tickles your fancy, make sure you support the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Now, let's break down that sequence. Recently, Motion VFX dropped another pack for mroto AI, and it's called REVEAL PACK. According to its website, as you can see here, it says mroto AI REVEAL PACK is a collection of dynamic mroto AI revealer masks. Now, mroto AI is one part of Motion VFX subscription service called Cine Studio. I made a video on my YouTube channel, and if you want, you can watch it after this video. I'll make sure to put the link in the description. Also, I'll include a link for a 2-week free trial of Cine Studio if you want to try it out for yourself. So the first thing you want to do is, I have my clip here. I'm going to hit Option and drag up to duplicate the clip. And then on this top layer, I'm going to hit mroto AI, and I'm just going to double click. And what you want to do at this point is I'm just going to draw around the camera, and because this is a tutorial, I'm going to make it really fast. And then here on the side, on the position, as you can see, you can go accurate, fast, and super fast. And based on how you have it selected, it'll be more precise in terms of how it selects the clip. But what I'll do now is, once I have everything masked out, I'm just going to hit track and go forward. And now if I hit V on this bottom clip, and on this top clip, make sure it's masked video. As you can see, it essentially masked all of our video right there. Okay, so put that back. Now, once you have that complete, the next thing is you want to go to where it says mroto AI expansion. And then as you can see, it says here, mroto AI REVEAL PACK. And these are all the different options. And there's 50 of them. So you can just double click on any one. I'm just going to render these files here. But that's essentially all it is. And if you go to the first clip, it was the multiplication. The second clip was the scribble. And this third clip was the title. Now, once you decide on whichever one of these guys you want to use, once you apply it, as you can see here on your inspector panel, you have all the different features, and you can mess around here to get different look and feel for each one of these packs. So there you go. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the REVEAL pack. And also, if you want me to go through every single one of them. There's 50 of them. These are just kind of 3 of them that I went over, but there's quite a few. If you've made it this far, consider supporting the channel by gently tapping that subscribe button and turning on notification so you know when I drop a new video. Feel free to like, comment, and you can even share the channel. And for our goal of 2024, we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so I appreciate your help. Now, if you like this video, we have a whole playlist over here. Thanks, fam. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you on the next video.